We remove the back cover. We remove the screws. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. This is the external antenna. Now let's remove the metal bracket. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.